Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2018 Skoda Octavia vRS estate. Now of course you get full LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, you then also get LED fog lights as well. You then get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels. Now of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do get on these 18-inch alloy wheels. But coming around to the rear now, as you'll notice, it is a late 18 model. We've got your rear parking sensors. Then when we come into the tailgate, we have plenty of room in the boot here, as this is a estate car. Then of course, all you need to do is just press the lever here. The parcel shelf will wind back. You can then use a lever on either side, which will then allow you to fold the seats down without having to walk around the car, which just makes this car even easier. Coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have got your part cloth, part Alcantara interior with your red stitching, with this being the VRS. You get Isofix mounting points to the bottom, full electric windows all around. You then also, when you get inside the car, we have your DSG gearbox in the middle, which you can see just along here. Then of course, just here we've got traction control, start off, central locking, and then your drive mode, so you can choose between eco, normal, sports and individual. Your climate controls are just below the touchscreen display, which you can see just here. We also have your air care as well. Up to the touchscreen display, in here we do have your various radio bands. We've got your various audio sources. We've got your satellite navigation. And of course we have your Smart Link, which enables Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Mirror Link. Then over to the steering wheel, we have your volume, voice assistant and track select. Over on the right hand side, we have your onboard computer controls, so you can alter the view on what you see up top, like so. Just there. Your cruise control is on the indicator stalk, and this car has done 40,611 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Octavia vRS, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.